Well, once again, let's talk about how you can make about $420 every month watching YouTube videos on this website I'm going to show you. Yes, these days a lot of people make money watching videos. I want to show you there's different YouTube videos, okay, you can watch. You can make a lot of money, at least $420 every month watching YouTube videos on your mobile phone, on your laptop, on your tablet. Now I'm going to show you step by step. I'm going to show you full tutorial step by step on how you can achieve this, on how you can make money watching YouTube videos on the website I'm going to show you. All you need to do is just to copy the YouTube link. Any YouTube video you want to watch, just copy the link. I'm going to show you the website where you're going to watch this video and you're going to get paid. Okay, you can make about $420 every month doing this. Okay, now please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. And in case this is your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Ikechi. What I do, I teach people and also guide people on how to make money online. Please let us go straight to the point, because I don't like wasting time. Most of my videos, you all know me, so what I do is go straight to the point. Now let's go. All right, this is YouTube. Like I said, I'm going to show you this step by step. Now you're going to type on this search button and search the kind of story or article you want to get. Okay, you can see list of different channels, YouTube channels are listed. Now let's assume I want to use a true life story, and you can see here I actually search for true life stories. You can see different stories here. Now let me just look for one that I will use as an example for this tutorial. Okay, now look at this. Scientists put camera in a coffin for research purpose. Wow, I think I love this particular one. So what I'm going to do next is to click on that particular video that I want to use. Okay, now once this video open, let me just pause this. Now what I need here is just the link. You can see the link above. So we're going to click the link. We are going to copy this link. Now the next website we are going to go is a website called YouTubetranscript.com. You can see the name on the screen, YouTubetranscript.com. Now we are going to paste this link that we copy. You can see enter a YouTube link here. You can see I'm going to paste that particular link. I'm definitely going to click on go. Now watch and see. This is the video that we copy. You can see actually what this site will do for you is to all the whole voice recorded, whatever they said in that video, this YouTubetranscript.com will transcribe all the write-ups, all the voices into an article like this. You can see we now have everything that was said in that particular video. Okay, so what we are going to do next is to copy. I'm not going to show you an example. Let me just end it here, but we are definitely going to copy everything if you are doing this. So let me just copy this as an example. So this is what we will now have, the true life story article. Now the next website we are going to go now will be you can use Google Doc or any other platform. You can paste that write-up that you actually copied. Then we are going to edit it. You know, where there is supposed to be comma, full stop, space, we are going to edit all of this. Okay, that's what you're going to do to make sure that everything is arranged. Okay, once you are done on this particular editing, then you're definitely going to copy that write-up again. Okay, we are going to copy this. Now the next website we are going to go, I'm going to give you two websites. One is phrase.io. This website will help you translate, rewrite, okay, that write-up because of copyright issues. Okay, either you use phrase.io or you use spinboat.com. These two, I think they are good. Okay, you can actually paste it. Okay, this is one I did last. Okay, you can actually paste it here, and then you now click on rewrite. Then once you are done rewriting your articles here, once you copy it from this website, Spinboat or phrase.io, the next website is vocal.media. This is a website that will be paying you huge amount of money. Okay, this is a website where you're going to publish these articles and you're going to get paid. All you need to do is to sign up. It is a global website that will pay you no matter the country where you are. Some people are earning, you can see people are publishing, you can see different people articles are being published. Now to publish here, what you're going to do is to register on this website. Once you register on this website with your email and you log in into this website, come to this site. You can see where this place, create story. You can see it here, create story. Now you're going to create a story. Now you can see title and subtitle. Now this title is where we are going to write the title of that article or the title of that story. Okay, so and this subtitle is going to be the headline of whatever we want. This subtitle is going to be, we're going to paste the whole articles, and the title is when we're going to put the title of the story. So let me just paste this here. For example, you can see this. Okay, now for the title, you can still go back to YouTube. For example, you can see the title here. You can copy this particular title. Okay, let's assume we copy this. If I want, I can still write the title. If I want, I can use this title. Then we are going to paste it here. You can see. Now, if you want to use picture, you can see those ones that other people publish. You can see that there is a picture. Some of them are using pictures. But because if you want to go and download pictures online, you might end up downloading a picture that will be a copyright picture, and it will not be good. They might not approve this. So what you are going to do next is either you use this Unsplash image. Okay, if you click here, you type the image of what you want. For example, let's assume that I want to type the image of let's say love. For example, if you type the image of love on this place, it's definitely going to help you get those images that you want. Okay, once I choose any of this image right now, if I choose any of the image and publish this article, definitely it is going to be the image that the people will see once they visit this vocal.media. Okay, if you click on save changes. So now, once people read your articles, read your stories, this vocal.media will be paying you huge amount of money. Okay, yes, vocal.media will be paying you huge amount of money. You are going to make a lot of money. Now imagine I don't publish it. What is my account? Because I just an example. That's why I don't want to publish it. Now imagine publishing about 10 articles. You can see I was able to do this within 6 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, even though that I'm trying to explain some things, I can do this in just 3 or 4 minutes, publishing one article using vocal.media, making money with vocal.media. That means in a day, even for just 1 hour, I might be able to publish at least 10 articles. Now imagine that in 1 month, we have about, each article get about 5,000 read or 10,000 read. You are going to be making a lot of money. Okay, yes, you will make a lot of money using this article. You can make as a side hustle, you can even earn up to $600 to $1,000. Even though it's $400, it's still something, but it all depends on how serious you are with this. Okay, so you can see the step I told you. You go to YouTube channel, get a video that you want to use. Once you get that video, you go to transcript, youtubetranscript.com, and then transcribe that video into these articles. Then copy the articles, go to Google Doc or any other platform where you can paste that articles or that write-up, and then edit it to make sure that everything is well arranged. Then from there, you are going to rewrite these articles using phrase.io, or you can use spinboat.com. Then after Spinboat, you go to vocal.media, then publish your article like the way other people have actually published their articles. You can see this one was a day ago. It was published a day ago. People are publishing every day using this 17 hours ago. People are reading, people are making money using this format. Okay, so please, all you need is a valid email. Make sure you have a valid email address in order to register on vocal.media, please. And definitely make sure you get a good content. Okay, good content pays. Okay, try and get a good content that will attract people to read. Like that one we're just trying to publish right now. I like that headline. People want to read. Look at, imagine scientists put a camera in a coffin for research purpose. When they turn it on, they screamed. Wow, people want to read this particular article. This is a very good example. Okay, this is a good example. So please, like I said, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. My name is Ikechu Kolenius. I've been online for over 13 years teaching people how to make money online. So please remember that turn on the notification button so you'll not be missing any of our next videos. Once again, thank you for stopping by.